Let's talk about horrible acting, voice acting, editing, and horrible filmmaking as a whole, because seriously, this is an example of that. So the worst kinds of movies are the ones that no one knows how to make. Like, from the start. I mean, you got the scripts, these guys don't have it. You have acting, some of these guys have it, but they don't use it correctly, and some of them don't have it at all. And some don't even want to use it. And then we have animation or special effects, which these guys just copy and paste the same bird effects over and over. And there's lots of editing errors and so on and so forth. A lot of people have talked about this movie, so here I am talking about it. After an intro that goes on for way too long, we get introduced to the love interest, and here we go. The most awkward hello in cinema history. Dude, can you turn down your mic a bit? That was pretty loud.
Yeah. So, what do you do?
I'm a fashion model.
And a beautiful one, too.
It's good talking to you.
Same here.
What exactly does facepalm mean? That seems appropriate.
Many have died from starvation due to the difficulty of finding enough food, such as seals.
I'm sorry. I couldn't really focus on that because the camera was out of focus too.
What's with all the noise?
Dang it. Second take. Filler. What the hell was that? Okay, Birds, I get it. I get that you're in this movie, finally, after 20 minutes. Can you please stop now? Thanks. Okay, are you just gonna ignore the fact that these birds are... Oh, never mind, you're fighting them now. No, it's really hard to review a movie that has literally no plot whatsoever. Okay, all jokes aside, I need to ask this question. Can you please explain why the birds are like this? Is there a scientific explanation as to why these birds are acting like this? Having acid blood, spitting acid, kamikazing themselves?
It's also evidence that global warming is
What?
wash up on the shore. It's also evidence that global warming is interrupting the birth, mating, and migration cycles of many species. In fact, in the last few years...
You know, it's amazing. You are 100% wrong. I mean, nothing you've said has been right.
Oh, this is so cute. The movie's trying to explain itself scientifically. And it doesn't even do it right. Padding. They meet this guy who I swear isn't really an actor, but the guy who actually runs the store. Padding. They meet this character. Padding. They have a picnic out in the open for some reason and rightfully run away when all the birds show up. Padding. The end. And I'm surprised that they actually make a sequel to this film. You know, because it was so popular.